guys, hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking about some hair oils and these are all by Patanjali. So I really wanted to try out on myself and then give you the reviews. So I'll be talking about each and every oil one by one. So without further ado, let's get started with the review of all the hair oils by Patanjali. And before moving on, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon so that you stay connected with my new uploads. And now let's get started. So the first oil that I will be talking about is the Patanjali Nariyal Tel or the coconut oil. It's written the edible coconut oil is 200 ml and it retails for 60 rupees. So it's really worth of money. This is an average kind of an oil, a coconut oil. I mean the parachute one also works really great. The only thing is this is edible and that one is not edible. But I don't suggest you to cook with this. Now it smells of coconut but it does not gives you the taste, so that so you must not use that as an edible oil for edible purposes or for cooking or anything. Please don't use this. And I have used this oil as an hair oil. I deep condition my hair with this. I have also used this as a body oil. Whenever your legs or hands feel dry, then you just need to slather this and massage it on your body. If you have split end, this will work really great because as you know, coconut oil really works great for split end, for dry hair, for dull hair, and even for dandruff. Use it twice a week. Massage it on your hair, just heat a little bit, warm a little bit, and just massage on your hair and just leave it overnight. Next morning you wash it, and I don't suggest you to use hair oil more than keeping it overnight. Overnight is just enough. You just need to apply this from your roots till the end. You can also massage it nicely, gently on your scalp if you have a dandruff problem, and this will work really great. So this is Now coming on to the other oil that I will be talking about is the Patanjali Kesh Kanti Tel, and this is 100 ml bottle and you get it for 130 rupees. So this is also worth for money. And let me tell you that this oil didn't work for me as great. It claims that it will reduce split ends and it will reduce the problem of grey hair for some people. But it didn't do anything for my hair, and the smell is also kind of bothering. As you can see, I haven't even finished the bottle at all, and I've just used a slight, just 2 times I have used it, and it does not work for me that great. I just feel very dry hair and dull hair after using this. So it does says that it has amla, brahmi, goodness of haldi, and every good oil it has, every good thing it is having, but it didn't work for me at all. So I won't suggest if you are looking for an option for your split ends. Rather I would suggest the nariyal tel or the coconut oil that you say. So I would be suggesting you that if you have a problem of split ends as well as dandruff. So I was really disappointed by this oil because I have heard really good claims about it on TV and on commercials and all these things, but I was really disappointed by this oil by Patanjali. Now the other oil that I would be talking about is the Patanjali Tejas Telam oil. Now it claims that it will strengthen the hair, it will also give you, it will also act as a body oil, and it will give you a beautiful and a radiant glow on your skin or something. So it claims like that, and I haven't used this as a body oil yet, but yes, whenever I use this as hair oil, then this works really wonders. It smells really good. Like to some sensitive noses it may be bothering because the smell is pungent, and it's the smell of sandalwood agarbattis, incense sticks that you get in the market, like sandalwood sticks. So it smells those, but the smell to me is kind of pleasant, and the ingredients are like so that it has almond oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, and every other oil. It has sesame oil and sunflower oil, so it has all these kind of oil, and I don't really wish to use it for my skin since my skin is really oily, so I don't need to use this at all on my skin. But yes, for hair it really works nice, and it's a good oil. It's an average oil, so you can give this oil a try. It really works great for your split ends, but I don't think that it will reduce the grayness of your hair because that it does not claim. Now coming on to the last product by Patanjali that I would be talking about is this thing. It's Divya Dhara, and let me tell you that this is not a oil, but it works as a oil. This is not particularly a hair oil, and it's in the roll-on form, and it says that it can work for headache problem, toothache, and common cold and muscular pain. And it also contains peppermint, camphor and ajwain sat, or you call the carom seed oil in it. So I just wanted to include this in the oil category because it has the consistency of oil, though it's not sticky, but it can really relieve you in your cold, and it can really calm your nose if you have a nasal problem or something. And if you're looking for a good mosquito repellent, then trust me guys, this will work really great. Like if you are just bothered about your kids or even for yourself, and mosquito repellent you don't have, and you are looking for a natural mosquito repellent that does not harm your skin at all, then this one really works great like mosquito repellent. It's easy to use because it's roll on, as you can see. So if you're looking for a decent mosquito repellent which does not harm your skin and free from harmful chemicals, then this thing is for you. If you're looking for a mosquito repellent, you just need to do what? You just need to roll this on your skin, just massage it a little bit and leave, and no mosquito will ever bother you, and it will relieve your common cold and your cough problem. It retails for 30 rupees and you get 10 ml of product in this small bottle, and it can last you for about 6 months if you are not using it regularly. But if you are using it regularly, then also it will last you for about 2 to 3 months, and you must give this out a try. So that was it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to see any more Patanjali reviews, then do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.